Welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a quick poll in any channel on the Telegram app on your PC with the latest update. First, launch the Telegram app on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the channel where you want to post your poll. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to create content in that channel. Next, look for the attachment icon. It usually looks like a paperclip, and hover your mouse over it. From the list of attachment options, choose Create Poll. Now you'll see a spot to enter your question. Type in the question you want to ask your channel members. This could be anything from gathering opinions to making decisions. Below the question, you'll find a text box labeled under Poll Options. Click there and enter the first answer choice for your poll. If you want to add more possible answers, simply click on the Add an Option button and type in the next choice. Repeat this step until you've entered all the options you want to include. Once you have your question and all the options ready, look towards the top right corner of the window and click the Create button. Your poll will be instantly posted in your chosen Telegram channel. Channel members can now start voting immediately, and you can watch the results in real time. This straightforward approach lets you engage with your audience fast and efficiently using Telegram's updated PC app features. Give it a try today to make decision-making and interaction within your Telegram channels easy and fun.